Welcome everyone to this daily update on my Squared YouTube channel. I suggest you to watch this video with 1.5x view for better viewing experience. Like, comment below your thoughts and subscribe to the channel. So if on the last update I was anticipating a resistance form in this area for these two scenarios to play out. We had this and then we broke the low and then we were moving down. However, on this was a clean trade right over here, which made a lot of sense to take it here. Current candle highs, stop loss, and then it was 1 to 2 risk to reward. And in the late time on the Friday, we had this invasion going on where Israel went inside Gaza territory, and that's where the candle just decided to shoot up. However, we were anticipating also that for that scenario, but that was late in the day. So let's go ahead and make a weekly update. Like monthly now will close probably, we need to see in 1 day, in 2 days actually, the monthly candle will close. If we close above this level, then we can anticipate these weak fills, but that also needs to be in consideration with how much escalation will be. This was the candle also where the I think not this one. No, this one was the candle of Russian invasion, and then this one was inflation, like recession fears. So this monthly is very strongly bullish. Weekly closed very bullish with small wick at the top, which indicates that there can be a potential upside, but we have this resistance. We can easily tap to this resistance in any case. Previous week low is very low, it's like 500 pips, so we can, like, the trend should continue to the upside. Daily candle close very bullish, very nice above this resistance actually. So our candle here was very good. When I said on Thursday, I think, after this daily closure with a stop loss above here, we can easily anticipate this wick fill, and we even exceeded that with 1 to 2 risk to reward trade. So now we need to see, but I anticipate a tap into this resistance, and then obviously it's gonna be a lot based on how the war is developing between Israel and Palestine on Gaza. So tomorrow, let's see if we have news for the week. Japanese we have tomorrow. Consumer price confidence, we have this. Unemployment, not very significant. On Tuesday, on Thursday we have manufacturing FOMC statement. This is very important. This can move the market. We have pound yen official bank rates. This is also for pound, very non-farm payroll we have on Friday. So yeah, it's gonna be a rough week for gold. It's gonna have a lot of volume on gold. But I anticipate if we break the highs, we can potentially come to this level, or overall come to this second level right over here. But obviously we need a closure above here. For sells, I'm not I was anticipating for a long time corrections to happen, but because of this war, I'm not sure now when. But we have a very extended period of very steep bullish price action on gold. If we have something good, like something calming down, like stopping that war, or some agreement between Hamas and Israel, we can see gold correcting. Otherwise, we can see just a push up. And on the 4-hour time frame, 4-hour time frame, we can just adjust this. We have this range here. We have now this new range to the upside. We are in a new range. We have that resistance still. So yeah, nothing very significant in my eyes. Obviously, break of the highs here can move quite a lot, but then you have break of the highs here. Let's say we don't move, we have 120 pip stop loss for 70 pip take profit based on my trading plan. That is not the case to take a trade, so we're not gonna rush into trades. And on GJ we had this trade running. Unfortunately, we entered a bit early. I was like on my trade here, I didn't update, but I was asked because we moved the 10 pip mark here. from the entry we have 10-11 pips. I moved stops at break even, so I got out at break even, not taking any profit, but it was in a rush because we closed bullish here, and then after this candle bearish, for example, after the next candle, and it was like the problem with this was that after London session and 3 hours before or 4 hours before the New York open, so it was not very high volume to continue to push the price down. So we had this correction, and then we had the final move, which was very nice because after this break, after this candle closure, we moved quite good to the downside, and then obviously retraced and then come here later in the Friday because of the news and everything, and Japanese yen seems as is looked on the market as a safe haven. We pushed down to the pair. So let's go from a monthly perspective. Monthly is about to close bearish. If we need to close like maybe 100 pips below to have this clean closure to the downside below this wicks to have a correction on GJ, in my opinion. But we have a very strong support which we failed to break for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 5 weeks. We haven't closed below this, so it's very tricky. However, as soon as we break these lows, I anticipate a continuation to the downside. That's where I'm gonna put my alert on the lows on the weekly time frame. That means on the low on the Friday daily also. So yeah, this looks more clean. We have this support right over here, which we closed below the support, but we didn't close below the wicks, so we can anticipate a retracement and then a continuation, like retracement to make the daily wick and then flip and then continue to the downside and retest this previous support. But yeah, as you can see, for a long time this has been, every time we closed we just rejected. Here we had a move down because of the news quickly rejected. So this is a very high demand area, so we need to be very cautious on sells on this area. We can't just stick to it. We just need to take profits if they are given to us. On the for daily, then for bullish, I'm gonna look for buys above here. Let's go on the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour has a clean range now. We have this support and resistance, which we are bouncing inside the range multiple times here. So we can also take into consideration that whatever we have a closure below here and come back, close inside the range, break the highs, we can retest the highs of the range. And then if we have a closure above here, then make wick, break the highs, we can tap. We have this clean traffic which we can take trades, take advantage, anticipate something like that to happen. For sells, obviously we need a closure below here, but we need first a wick or some resistance to form, and then we can take these sells. Closure below here, safer sells, but we can also look for where the resistance is going to form here, and then be cautious and then take the sells. That's about it. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow on the daily update before New Year session. And yeah, thank you for watching. Like, comment below your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel to support these videos. Thank you.